Hey guys, President Donovan, HAAF Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here in Pooler, Georgia. And today we'll be going through a Beacon new home. It's a townhome. This is called the Bimini. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath home with 1,825 square feet. Let's check it out. All right, so here's the front of the home. As you can see, Beacon's advertising there, $15,000, choose it as you want to thing. But I'm just gonna kind of show you the neighborhood in here. Okay, and if you're looking for a Bimini, this is gonna be basically what you're looking at. 1-car garage right there. Semi brick front, I like that. Come in here. Now, I'll tell you what, for a townhome, it's very spacious. You're talking about 1,825 square feet, look at this. All right, you got that chair rail all down the side there, I love that. Though I don't think you're gonna have chairs there. Here's the walk-in closet right there. All right, they got the luxury vinyl plank flooring right there. And I wanna check out this garage. We're just gonna hit them as they come, right? So here's the garage, finished garage, which is not normal. It's a little bit bigger than a 1-car garage. I'll tell you, when 1-car garages I've been through before, it's basically just the car. This one's got more space than that, so that's good. I like that. All right, and then we're gonna come on down here into this wide open space area. So as you can see, look. Just a nice space. You know what I love about this one though too, also, you know, you're talking about $297 for this particular one, $297, $195. You got your granite countertops right there. Love that. You got your stainless steel appliances that come with it. With that $15,000, you can use that towards, you know, anything. Now, if you're buying this after the spooktacular event, well, then they'll have different incentives. Then we can talk about that. Give me a call, 912-657-3544. All right. But yeah, wide open space, I love this. I mean, you can put your TV over there, you know, maybe, you know, like a little L-shaped couch or something. And obviously you can put your dining, you know, like little dining area right there. It's great. And then you got a half bath right off the kitchen. So right there, boom, so you can take care of your business. Okay, and then you got your would-be pantry right here, boom. Nice size pantry. All right, and then now, let's go upstairs. Now we're at the top of the stairs, as you can see. Carpet upstairs throughout everything, except for the wet areas, obviously. Check out this. Yeah, this is where the washer and dryer go. Right there. Boom, at the top of the stairs. So like, you know, none of the stairs have to go down, or excuse me, none of the clothes have to go downstairs, which is great. And then there's a little linen closet right there. And then here's the primary bedroom right here. Look at that. All that good space. Love it. It's what king size bed. You know, you can put, I don't know, you can put furniture in here too if you want to. You know what I've seen, which I liked, which I think I need to get myself, is like you can have the bed right there. You know what I'm saying? And then at the end, have like a little couch thing. There's plenty of space, all that stuff. All right, and then you put the TV right there. Couch, bed, man. Nice size closet, look at this. I mean, it's not, when you get into the home, it's hard to tell that it's a townhome. You know what I'm saying? Because it's so big. Like there's houses that aren't this big. Granite countertop upstairs, of course. Shower tub combo. Nice white cabinets right there. Fire alarms, as you can hear, they come with the home. Pretty good. I'm pretty sure they're gonna change the battery for you, so you ain't gotta worry about that. But what is this? Oh, they got an outlet where you can, one of those USB ones, or C. Wow, okay, cool. All right, let's go to this bathroom right here. Okay, granite countertops, once again. The vinyl plank, nice. Shower tub combo. All right, we're gonna go over here, boom. Okay, once again, like, it's big. Like these rooms are big. Like it's not small. You can fit stuff, like I said, you can fit king size bed here. I know I use that all the time. I started using hippos and that was very popular, so I don't know what else I would use. Pigs are not that big. I guess it depends on the pig. All right, yeah. Here's another room right here that can also fit king size bed. Closet's nice. All right, let's go out to the back. So now I'm leaving the living room / kitchen, coming out the back. All right, so obviously it's townhome, so you're gonna have townhome type neighborhood, but I mean, not bad size yard. You know what I'm saying? So there we go. So that was the Bimini floor plan from Beacon New Homes. If you have any questions about this home or any Beacon New home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.